Get ready to completely transform your iPhone's look. With iOS 18, your home screen is no longer just a grid of apps. You can now personalize it like never before, placing apps and widgets exactly where you want them, and even changing their appearance to perfectly match your wallpaper. Here's how to unlock the full potential of your home screen. You can start customizing from any home screen page. Touch and hold your home screen until apps begin to jiggle. In the top left corner, tap Edit. From this menu, you have three powerful options. Add a widget, which can enhance your home screen with useful information. At a glance, customize the look of your home screen, change how your apps and widgets appear, and then edit pages. Rearrange and organize your different pages. Let's dive into adding a widget first. Tap Add Widget. Now you can browse and search for any widget you want. Let's select Reminders and tap Add Widget to place it on your home screen. Once a widget is on your home screen, you're in control. You can resize a widget, simply drag the handle on the lower left corner to make it bigger. Reposition anything, drag widgets and apps to new locations. Want your wallpaper to shine through? Move your apps around to create open spaces and highlight your favorite background. Once you're happy with the layout, let's give your home screen a fresh new look. Tap Edit again. Choose Customize. Now prepare to be amazed by the new customization options. Tap Large for bigger app icons without text labels, giving your home screen a clean, modern feel. And this is where the magic happens. With Dark, give everything a sleek, dark appearance. Automatic, let your home screen intelligently switch between light and dark modes based on the time of day. Tinted, this is where you can truly make it yours. When you select Tinted, you can choose a custom color for supported apps and widgets, making them perfectly complement your wallpaper. With Tinted selected, let's match your home screen to your wallpaper. First, tap the Brighten button to enhance your wallpaper's image. To perfectly match a color from your wallpaper, tap the eyedropper tool. Drag your finger anywhere on your screen to sample a color, then lift your finger to select it. You can also fine-tune the color and saturation using convenient sliders. When you're satisfied with your new look, tap anywhere outside the menu to confirm. And just like that, your home screen is now personal and uniquely yours than ever before. Tired of the generic iPhone ringtone? You can easily customize your ringtone. Check out this video for the full guide.